Thanks a lot for the wonderful experience. There were a lot of things I've learned. One, somehow I've seen a lot of characteristics in you which I always would cherish in any other person. Kind of an evolved being who's grounded with spirituality and also applying that knowledge into day-to-day life, which is fantastic. I have met a lot of people who are of a similar bent of mind, and that's really kind of a reassuring experience for me, to say the least. And actually it was also quite humbling, because it meant that I need to learn a lot more in my life. PLR means a lot to me. Once I found out about it, actually it was an answer for a lot of questions I had in my own mind about psychiatry personally, and how somehow it was devoid of the spiritual component in its healing. So this is where I really hope that I can bring in a change in, as I said, Easternized psychiatry. That's my hope. Thank you very much.